In this video, I'll show you how to open your Facebook profile in Meta Business Suite step by step. Meta Business Suite is designed to manage Facebook pages and business assets, not personal Facebook profiles. However, you can access your profile through the same account you're signed in with. First, open the Meta Business Suite app or visit the Meta Business Suite website in your web browser. Sign in with your Facebook account. Once you're on the dashboard, tap or click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select View Facebook Profile or Go to Facebook, if the option is available. This will open your personal Facebook profile in a new tab or in the Facebook app. If you want to manage your business, switch back to Meta Business Suite and use the dashboard to access your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, messages, ads, and business settings. Remember, personal profiles cannot be managed directly inside Meta Business Suite because it's designed for business assets only. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.